Hello to all my friends out there. So I was just watching a video by Ice Age Farmer, and there's blizzards and it's affecting corn, wheat, and potatoes. So go watch on my Twitter 3 words, and she predicts food shortages and a potato famine. Now, while you can still get it cheap, get instant potatoes, get flour, and get cornmeal. You know, anything. Also, corn affects the price of gas. Ethanol, there is about 10% of our gas. So don't have a panic attack, but be smart and start stockpiling every week. I'm stockpiling corn tortilla chips. Those usually have a pretty long shelf life, longer than tortillas. They don't require require refrigeration. And corn flakes, cornmeal, wheat, flour. I noticed I was having a hard time finding gold medal premium flour. So start getting instant mashed potatoes. Notice how small the bags are getting, you guys? Okay, you guys, just start stockpiling a little bit for your own sakes. Okay, God bless you all.